Yo, what's up? Let's talk about ahon, pre-verse, verse, and pre-chorus. So, all clean muna. Yan, clean lang. Alright. Then, gawin mo dyan, lagyan mo lang ng delay, phaser, reverb, and counting drive. And let's go. Yon. Pre-chorus. Kung tatanungin nyo kung naka-bridge ako sa kantang yon, yes, bridge all the way lang. Kahit sa mga clean parts. Alright. Ahon.